Indian Premier League IPL 2025 Kolkata Knight Riders vs Royal Challengers Bangalore. Both teams playing 11 comparison. Kolkata Knight Riders team best playing 11. Number 1 Quinton de Kock. Number 2 Sunil Narine. Number 3 Ankrich Raghuvanshi. Number 4 Venkatesh Iyer. Number 5 Rinku Singh. Number 6 Andre Russell. Number 7 Ramandeep Singh. Number 8 Spencer Johnson. Number 9 Harshit Rana. Number 10 Barun Chakraborty. Number 11 Vaibhav Arora. Royal Challengers Bangalore team best playing 11. Number 1 Virat Kohli. Number 2 Phil Salt. Number 3 Rajat Patidar. Number 4 Liam Livingstone. Number 5 Jitesh Sharma. Number 6 Tim David. Number 7 Krunal Pandya. Number 8 Bhubaneswar Kumar. Number 9 Suyesh Sharma. Number 10 Josh Hazlewood. Number 11 Yash Dayal. Dear viewers, which team your most favorite IPL 2025? You can let us know by commenting. Thank you so much for watching this video.